Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Facebook password. What you need to do. First just go to Facebook and then click in this little arrow. Go to settings and privacy and then settings and then click security and login. And then here change password, click edit. Now just type your current password and then type the new password and then retype the new password. After that click save change. This is what you need to do. But in case you don't remember the current password, you click here, forgot your password, and then they will send to you code either by email or mobile SMS. Just you can choose which one you want and then click continue. After you receive the code, just type the code and follow the instruction. It's so simple. This is what you need to do if you want to change Facebook password. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any question, any idea, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.